Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful DIY fluid art canvas. And for this you're going to need some glue. So you add equal amounts of glue in each plastic cup. Then add a little amount of water in each of them. I'm not using any specific measurements because I'm going to alter it anyway later to see the consistency of what I'm making. Now you mix this fluid and water. And then you add the colors that you want. I have gone with the warm tones because those are the ones that I had at home more, but I think the cool colors like purple, blue and all on a black canvas would give a really nice like spacey kind of look, and you should really check that out. So now I've added the colors and I'm simply mixing them. Brown, and to make orange I just added red and yellow along with it. Adding 4 push pins on the 4 corners at the back of the canvas so that it stays a little above the paper. Now take an empty plastic copper bowl and start adding the colors that you have made. So it really doesn't matter the order in which you add these colors. Start adding the colors such that it's making rings in the plastic cup like you can see, and do it until you've exhausted all your colors and until you're happy with it basically. Now you basically just keep the canvas on the cup that you have made and wait for the paint to fall down on it like so, obviously after overturning it. And now slowly lift the plastic cup above the canvas. Now you just have to keep tilting it in all different directions so that it spreads all over the canvas. Now my canvas was really small, so I didn't have to spread it that much, but if you're using a bigger canvas then you can definitely use like a hairdryer to help it spread faster. Now, even after spreading the maximum amount, I still had some corners left with white spaces. So I just took the color that I had left in the cups that we had made earlier and tried to spread it around similar to the pattern that we already have on the canvas by a palette knife like so. That's basically it, and after that I just let it dry and painted the sides gold so that it gives a better finishing. I loved how it turned out and it's so easy to do. If any of y'all try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Ishwari Thadhani, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the thumbs up. Click on the screen to watch all my other videos, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!